Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepeceoinu token. Now, about a day or two ago, I said I was going to stop doing videos on Pepe tokens. Boy, I was wrong, because so many of them keep coming out and they keep doing very well. I can't avoid them, so I have to do these. I have to do these information videos on these new Pepe tokens because they just keep dropping. And this one's doing very well right now. It is actually trending #1 on Pepeceo Finance right now, and they have already passed their soft cap. It's already a successful pre-sale. There's still 23 hours left to go of this pre-sale, so you can go check it out. But we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get this token even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Pepeceoinu token. So, 23 hours left of this pre-sale. Soft cap for this pre-sale was set at 30 BNB. They've already sold 56.63 BNB to 114 different investors. And they still have 23 hours to go, so they're probably going to sell a lot more tokens, especially since they are trending #1. Now, ticker symbol for this token is Pepe, just like the other Pepe token that went parabolic earlier this week. And name of the token, Pepe space CEO space Inu. So it says Pepeceoinu, the most prominent token meme of 2023, created by a team with a proven track record delivering massive gains to hodlers with Pepe 1,000 times. Pepeceoinu is a reflection token with holder rewards and KYC, audit, central exchange listing, 0% buy fee, 10% sell fee, which incentivizes holding, no team tokens, no transaction limit, 40% of supply burnt, contract renounced, Dex Tools ads, Ave trending, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track, 24/7 shilling, billboards, exchanges. Join us now. So they do have a full audit. You can find their audit on Pepeceo. They were audited by Analytics Audit Solidity. You can view the PDF of that if you like. It says they were KYC'd, most likely to Pepeceo, but it doesn't have that listed here on Pepeceo. Now, they do have a Reddit. Their Telegram is at Pepeceoinu. Their Twitter is at Pepeceoinu. And their official webpage, Pepeceoinu.com. Now, there's another very popular Pepeceo token right now that I'm going to do a video on as well today. That token isn't in pre-sale yet, but it's coming out within the next day for pre-sale, and it's already trending #8, so don't get it confused with that one. That one is Pepe Doge CEO. So it's a mix between Pepe and Doge, and that one is also a CEO, but this one is Pepeceoinu. So check out that other Pepe Doge CEO token that I'm going to post later on today as well. And you can get the info on that one, because that one's just about to start pre-sale, and it's already trending. I saw it trending yesterday as well. So back to this token, 9 decimal places on this token. Total supply of this token is, of course, 420 quadrillion tokens. Initial market cap estimate, $27,929. So one thing about this token, it says that the liquidity lockup time on PancakeSwap is only going to be 90 days. So just be aware of that. Even though they have an audit and KYC, it says their liquidity lock is only 90 days, basically 3 months, and then the liquidity becomes unlocked. So that can be sketchy, so be aware of that. But if you did want to buy this token after the pre-sale is over, if you missed the pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will be listed on PancakeSwap. So basically you get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your Binance Smart Chain for the Pepeceoinu token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Pepeceoinu.com. You might have to set slippage around 10% for sells, 0% for buys, so it should be just the way it is. Default setting for slippage on buys. Now, let's see here. Yeah, so liquidity is only locked for 90 days, so just be aware of that. They have a token metrics pie chart on here. 25% of the tokens are going to get burnt, and then another 25% will get burned in burn number 2. 18.15% go to liquidity, and 31.84% of the tokens go to pre-sale. Now, there is a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on Pepeceo, and it says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status, and owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there. Now, experience a new decentralized finance, a community fund-driven decentralized crypto market. At Pepeceoinu, we are driven by the passion for developing an innovative NFT play-to-earn game that blends cutting-edge blockchain technology and engaging game mechanics, providing players with an immersive and rewarding experience. Additionally, we will hold an NFT collection in his honor. The team has grown, and we now have more assistance and knowledge to move things further. Our mission, let's invest in Pepeceoinu, and from now we can grow with him. When our Pepeceoinu grows up, he will become an excellent CEO. With the beautiful and popularity of Pepeceo fans, we believe Pepeceoinu will become a powerful wave leading the next meme season. Not only that, Pepeceoinu will continue to list and book many exchanges in the future, will create an ecosystem for Web3 gaming, NFTs, decentralized exchanges, and more. So some of the utilities, like I said, they're going to have an NFT collection. They're going to have their own Pepeceoinu decentralized exchange. They're also going to have master classes that you can learn about crypto and whatnot. So on their roadmap, they show you exactly when each one of these utilities will be coming out. They're also going to get the CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listings. They're going to do AMAs. They're going to have marketing. They're going to have a gem finder bot is going to come out. Meme-based application. And yeah, the NFTs and a game where you could use the NFTs. And yeah, if you want to check out their full white paper, go over to pepe-ceo-inu.getbook.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.